initiation and transmission of the nerve impulse ख्याल से resting membrane potential is minus 70 millivolt and action potential or depolarization state was maintained 4.5 millisecond and 1,000th part of 1 second. And yesterday I told to you that saltatory conduction, the jumping movement from one node of Ranvier to another node of Ranvier. But remember that here for excitation and initiation of the nerve impulse, sodium ion channel is required there. Fine. So sodium ions move inside. So inside positive, outside negative it becomes, and depolarization state is there. And along with that sodium potassium pump, for that you remember how many sodium moves in or out? 3 sodium moves out, 2 potassium comes in. As a result, outside positive, inside negative across the nerve fiber. During depolarization state, sodium potassium pump is never work. Okay? During depolarization, sodium potassium pump never works. And one more thing else, you know that anesthesia. So anesthesia in that anesthetic drugs block the sodium ion voltage gated channels. So sodium ions cannot move inside and depolarization cannot be initiated. So impulse is not generated there. So part becomes anesthetic. So generally anesthetic drugs can block the sodium ion voltage gated channels. Okay? Okay, resting membrane potential into ion. What is the size of the synapse? The distance between presynaptic cleft and postsynaptic cleft. Okay. (200 angstrom). And basically, if you know that during the resting state in the synaptic cleft, synaptic vesicles are there in the state that acetic acid plus choline. But when the impulse can reach to the synaptic node, at that time calcium ion channels are open, calcium ions move inside. So inside positive, outside negative, and presynaptic cleft become depolarized. Okay, and due to that depolarization in the synaptic node, acetic acid plus choline both are joined together and form the acetylcholine, and gradually one by one synaptic vesicles can be ruptured in the synaptic cleft. So the size of the synaptic cleft is 200 angstrom, and all the synaptic vesicles can be ruptured there. Acetylcholine is secreted, and the acetylcholine can be received by acetylcholine receptors, which are situated on the postsynaptic membrane, and the nerve is transmitted, impulse is transmitted into the next nerve. And as you know, the synapse is nothing but the gap between two successive neurons. Actually, the gap between the axon fiber of the same nerve and the dendrites of the next nerve. Okay, or neuron. Velocity of the nerve impulse is directly proportional to the diameter of the neuron. Velocity of the nerve impulse is directly proportional to the diameter of the neuron. Nerve impulse transmission is always unidirectional. Nerve impulse transmission is always unidirectional. પણ ધ્યાન રાખજો, હવે જે સ્ટેટમેન્ટ કહું છું એ when you give any type of the sensation to the any part, the sensation is beyond its threshold level, then and then impulse is generated. But when you give the stimulus to the nerve fiber, impulse is generated on the both the sides. But transmission of the impulse is towards only one side. For example, તમે axon ને વચ્ચેથી તમે stimulation આપો છો. Impulse is transmitted on the both the side. But the impulse is transmitted towards the axon terminals or axon fibers. Towards that impulse is transmitted. Fine. Impulse is generated on the both the sides. Impulse is moved towards the cell body also, towards the cytone also. But from that reverse to that synapse in the previous nerve, impulse is not transmitted there. But impulse which is transmitted towards the axon fiber terminals, towards that impulse is transmitted there. So when you give the stimulus to the nerve, both the side impulse is generated, but impulse is conducted only and only in one direction. Okay? अच्छा, હવે influx and efflux આપણે થોડું એક વર્ડ જોઈ લીધો છે. I think for depolarization sodium influx occurs, and for depolarization potassium efflux occurs. Yeah? Sodium influx enters inside. અને આ વસ્તુ તમને કે પ્લસ આયન થિયરીમાં જો કે 11th માં આવે છે, 11th ચેપ્ટર એ તો આમાં નહીં આવે, બરાબર. Influx means inside, efflux goes outside. See, next point. If myelin sheath is continuous, what is the definition of node of Ranvier? Myelin sheath is limited into the small cells only. So at the junction of the small cells, myelin sheath is absent, and that is known as node of Ranvier. But this statement tells us if myelin sheath is continuous, there will be no nerve impulse conduction in nerve fiber. Next point, brain is approximately 70 to 80% develops in 2 years of age, and complete development is achieved in 6 years. Where the spinal cord development is completely in 4 to 5 years age. Next, brain is command and control system of our body. The weight of brain of an adult male, the weight of brain of an adult male is 1400 gram, 1400, and of female is 1250 grams. Okay, you know that surrounding to the brain layers are present, 3 layers are there,
Yes.
commonly known as meninges. Outermost dura mater, middle arachnoid matter, and inner pia matter. Middle arachnoid matter is present here, is the unique characteristic of the mammals. Okay, that is important. Amount of CSF is around 150 ml. Amount of CSF is around 150 ml, which gives buoyancy to the brain, which reduces the weight of the brain from 1400 gram, which reduce the weight of the brain from 1400 gram to 0.18 kilogram. So 1400 gram of the brain weight is actual weight without buoyancy, but brain is floating in CSF, so the weight become much more reduced, 180 gram only. Cerebrum, major part of the brain, most developed in human. Two half cerebral hemispheres are connected by corpus callosum, is the largest commissure of brain, which is unique feature of mammal. Among the cerebrum, frontal lobe is the largest part. In cerebrum, Broca's area. Cerebrum Broca's area is helpful for movement of tongue and speech. Cerebrum in that hippocampus, cerebrum in that hippocampus is responsible for conversion of short-term memory to long-term memory. Thalamus acts as a relay center of the brain. Thalamus acts as a relay, R-E-L-A-Y, relay center of the brain. Relay center means it receives the impulse or sensation and give it to the cerebral cortex. Transmission occurs, translation occurs, information is read properly, understand it and gives the reflex again against it, and that is controlled by the thalamus. The weight of the hypothalamus is 4 grams. Weight of hypothalamus is 4 grams. Hypothalamus is responsible for thermoregulation. Hypothalamus is responsible for thermoregulation, maintain the body temperature, and along with it acts as a biological clock system. Clock system. Olfactory lobe. Olfactory lobe is bean sized. Bean sized. Midbrain is smallest part of the brain. And if you know that both the lateral ventricles, see there is a connection between the brain and the heart related to the ventricle. Two lateral ventricle, 1/3 ventricle and 1/4 ventricle. So total 4 ventricles are there in brain, whereas 2 ventricles are there in heart. 2 lateral ventricles which are situated in the cerebrum, and both the lateral ventricles are connected to the third ventricle by foramen of Monro. Okay? Both the lateral ventricles of the cerebrum are connected to third ventricle by foramen of Monro, and third ventricle is connected to the fourth ventricle by iter. It is also known as cerebral aqueduct. Both the lateral ventricles of cerebrum are connected to third ventricle by foramen of Monro, M-O-N-R-O, Monro. Third ventricle is connected to fourth ventricle by iter, I-T-E-R, also known as cerebrum aqueduct. બધું કીધું છે. Midbrain, in that you know that four superior colliculi, two superior colliculi and two inferior colliculi are there, and from the corpora quadrigemina. Okay? Given that in book. Spinal cord. Spinal cord is end. Spinal cord is ended at L1 vertebrae. At L1 vertebrae in phylum terminalia. Phylum terminalia looks like tail of horse. Weight of spinal cord is approximately 35 grams. Fifth cranial nerve is trigeminal nerve, also known as dentist's nerve. Tenth cranial nerve, vagus nerve, is the longest cranial nerve. end cranial nerve, that is vagus nerve, is the longest cranial nerve. Spinal nerves are 31 pair. C8, T12, L5, S5, C1. NCERT માં લખાયું છે. And this is the spinal column formula. C7, T12, L5, S5, C4. But it becomes C7, T12, L5, S1, C1. Major difference is there. Spinal vertebrae are 7, but spinal nerves in the cervical are 8 pairs. 7 cervical vertebrae, but 8 pairs of cervical nerves. Okay? Here I can stop now, fine?